In this video, I'll walk you through the process of installing NiceJob, a powerful tool for collecting customer reviews and showcasing them on your website or website platforms. So first, make sure you are on the dashboard of your NiceJob account and familiarize yourself with the interface as it will guide you through the setup process. Now, to install NiceJob on your website, locate your installation code via on the dashboard, navigate to settings or integrations, and then look for the website installation section and copy the embed code provided. Now, if you're using a website builder like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, log into your site's admin panel and then paste the code into the header or footer section of your site. So if you're using a WordPress, you can use a plugin like insert headers and footers to add the code easily. And after that, save your changes and publish to the updated version of your website. Now, in the NiceJob dashboard, navigate to the integration section and then connect your NiceJob account to platform like Google Reviews, Facebook, or any review sites you use. And then authorize the connection by signing into your account and granting access and set up automated reviews requests, go to the review settings in the dashboard, and then customize the message template that will be sent customers via email or SMS. And then schedule when and how review requests will be sent after customer interaction. And then in the dashboard, go to the showcase or widget section. So I can show you directly the process. So after that, choose a review widget style that suits your website design. And after that, you can now copy the widget code and paste it into the appropriate section of your website, just like you did with the installation code. Now, in order to use the NiceJob dashboard to track incoming reviews and manage responses, respond to reviews promptly to show your customers you value their feedback. And that's it. That's how to install NiceJob customer reviews. Although I can show you some process, I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.